Totu have ears?
Hello, Meenu. What are you eating?
Hello, Chinu. I am not eating. I am drinking kheer.
Oh, Meenu, look! Look! So many ants!
Ants? Where, Chinu?
Look here. Look near your feet. So many ants. Move away, Meenu. They will bite you.
Oh, yes. There are so many ants. They are carrying something.
Just watch carefully, Meenu. They are carrying the kheer that you have dropped.
Oh, yes. They are carrying my kheer. Maybe they also like kheer.
But Meenu, how did they get to know that you have dropped your kheer here?
That is because they have a very good sense of smell. They can quickly find out when something is dropped or spilled.
Okay, now, come. Let us follow them, Meenu.
I will also come with you both. Look at the ants. Where are they going?
They are going inside that anthill.
Yes, look at them. They are going nicely in a line. They are going inside one after the other.
Yes, Meenu, they are going neatly in a line. Even our friends in school don't go nicely in a line. We can learn so much from animals. Oh, look carefully. Can you see an ant standing outside the anthill?
Oh yes. It is standing like a guard, watching each ant. But why is that ant standing outside the anthill?
Because that ant is acting like a guard. It is checking each ant and only then allowing it inside.
Checking each ant? But why?
It is looking at each ant and checking if that ant belongs to its group. It only allows ants from its group to go inside this anthill. It does not allow ants from other groups to go inside the anthill.
Can I also tell you something really interesting?
What is it, Meenu? Tell me, please.
Long ago, a scientist did an experiment and found out something very interesting.
What did he find out?
He found out that when ants walk, they leave a scent behind. It is a special kind of smell. It doesn't smell good, but this smell helps the other ants. The other ants then follow that smell and reach wherever they have to go.
They leave behind a smell. Oh no, that is very bad.
Enough of ant talk. Let them eat Meenu's kheer now. Let us go inside and sleep.
Okay, let us sleep now. Even I am feeling very sleepy.
Oh, these mosquitoes. They are troubling me a lot. Shoo, shoo.
What is it, Chinu? Why are you upset?
Look at these stupid mosquitoes, Meenu. They are troubling me a lot. Wherever I go, they keep following me. Why is that, Meenu?
Because they know where you are. They are very smart.
How is that possible? How do they get to know where I am?
It is a funny thing, Chinu. They are able to follow you from the smell of your feet. and your body heat.
Smell of Chinu's body? Yuck! Chinu, you are very dirty. I will not come near you.
Very good, Buzz. Don't come near me. At least I don't have to hear you buzz.
Oh, both of you, just stop it now. I think that God has given something special to everyone. See, such tiny animals like an ant and mosquito have a great sense of smell.
Meenu, so can people also find out about anything with the help of its smell?
Yes, Buzz, people also have a sense of smell.
How is that possible? How do you do that?
Arey, have you forgotten, Buzz? When Ma keeps the milk on the stove and forgets about it, the milk boils and spills over. She then runs to take it off the stove when she gets the smell of burnt milk.
Yes, just the way all of us run when Mom makes tasty food. So even people have a sense of smell.
Yes, people can find out if a thing is good or bad from its smell.
I know. Yes, just the way we cover our nose when we pass by a dustbin.
Okay, now let's sleep. We have to go to school in the morning. Wake up, Chinu. Wake up quickly. It's getting late for school.
I have woken up, Meenu. I'll now get ready very quickly.
Oh, we are all ready. Let's go now.
Look, Meenu. Look over there. A parrot.
Oh yes, it is very pretty, Chinu.
Yes. See, it is looking at us.
No, Chinu, it is not looking at us. It is looking at the tree.
No, Meenu. Look at it carefully. It is looking at us.
Should I fly up and ask the parrot?
Good morning, everybody. My name is Totu. Don't fight, both of you. I was looking at both the things. I was looking at the tree and at you also.
Good morning, Totu. But how can you do that?
Oh, that is because we birds can look at different objects with our two eyes at the same time.
Oh, Totu, that is so interesting. We didn't even know that.
Our eyes are very different from other animals and humans. The eyes of birds are fixed. That is why we keep turning our head from time to time.
But Totu, tell me one more thing. You were very far from us. How did you manage to see us?
Meenu, that is a good question. That is because I can see you very well. Birds can see many times better than you can.
Many times better than us? I can't understand. How much better can you see than us? Can you see much more than us?
Lots more, Meenu. How do I explain to you? Okay, now I know. You must have heard of the birds eagle and falcon. Do you know that eagles and falcons can see objects 4 times as far as you humans can see? 4 times more, Totu. I also want to be like a bird. Birds can fly and can see more also.
Yes, Chinu, birds can see very well. Totu, I really like your beak a lot. Your beak is so nice and red, just like a red chili.
Red? I don't know that color. I don't know how my beak looks. I can't see many colors.
You cannot see many colors, but why?
That is because only humans can see different colors.
So, what colors can you see, Totu?
I can only see a few colors. And there are some animals which can see only black and white.
Only black and white? Animals can only see black and white.
Not all animals buzz. It is different for different animals. Animals that are awake during the day can see a few colors.
Oh, so animals that stay awake in the daytime can see few colors? But what about those animals that stay awake at night?
I was talking about those animals before. They can see only black and white. They cannot see colors. Everything will be either black or white for them.
Oh, I did not know this before. Arey, look there everyone. Look at that koel. It is singing so beautifully.
Totu, can you also hear the koel sing? Yes, Chinu. She is my friend. She sings very beautifully. I cannot see your ears. How do you hear then? Do you have ears, Totu? Yes, Chinu. I have ears just behind my eyes. But you cannot see my ears. That is because they are covered by my feathers. But there are some animals that do not have ears at all. Some animals don't have ears at all? Oh, I did not know that. Then how do they hear? They are very smart. That's why I said that everything is different for different animals. Animals that don't have ears sense things by their movements, like the snake.
That's why a snake gets alert even if people move without making a noise.
That's right. Shh. Quiet, everybody. I think a hunter is coming close.
Totu, how did you get to know that? I cannot see anyone. I checked all the sides.
I know for sure, Meenu. Some hunter is close by somewhere. I get to know because we birds and animals have a special power. Special power? What kind of special power do you have, Totu? We have the power of sensing danger well in advance. We get to know when danger is coming.
You can sense any danger in advance? What does that mean?
It is a special power we have, Meenu. It means that we can sense danger in advance. We get to know of it before we can actually see it. Then we in turn alert all our other friends. Shh. Oh, who is that?
Oh, you were sensing him. He is our father. He is going to the field to work. He does not hunt animals, Totu. He is very kind. Don't alert your friends now. But tell me, how do you alert your other friends of any danger?
We have a special way of doing that. We alert the others with the help of some special sounds.
Oh, you have special sounds to alert your friends, just like we humans shout. So, do you have a different sound for different types of dangers?
Yes, Chinu, you are right. We have different sounds for different types of dangers. You must have heard monkeys making different types of sounds.
Oh, yes! I have heard monkeys many times. They keep making different types of funny sounds.
So each sound has a special meaning that the rest of the monkeys can understand. It is something like you people. Just like you have your own language, we also have our special sounds. So some of those monkey sounds may sound funny to you, but they mean something to them.
Totu, do you know of a monkey called a sloth? Have you seen it?
Yes, Chinu, I have seen it. But I thought it was a bear and not a monkey.
Oh, no, Totu. It looks like a bear. But it is a monkey. Do you know what it does? It sleeps for 17 hours a day, hanging upside down from a tree branch.
Sleeps for 17 hours a day. What fun! The sloth just eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. Such a lazy monkey. When it has eaten enough leaves from that tree, it just moves to the nearby tree and starts living there. Sloths live for nearly 40 years, and during that time, he moved to only 7 or 8 trees.
They will just stay in that tree. What will they do if they want to go to the toilet?
You are funny, Buzz. Anyway, I told you that they are lazy. They just come down once a week to go to the toilet.
What a funny animal. Totu, you were telling us about the different sounds made by animals during danger. We forgot all about that and started talking about sloths.
Yes, I will tell you now. Some animals start behaving differently when they sense danger. Like the dog, fish, goats and other animals. These animals have saved many lives number of times. Like during the big tsunami that hit coastal India and other countries in December 2004. The strange behavior of these animals alerted many people. Many lives were saved because some animals sensed that something was wrong and started behaving in a strange manner. That is amazing, Totu. So we should always listen to and try to understand the warnings given by animals. Yes, different animals use different parts of their body to sense things.
Oh yes, I use my antenna, Thotu.
I can sense, smell, or even sounds with my antennae.
Your antennae are wonderful, Buzz. They help you just like the whiskers help a tiger. Whiskers of a tiger? Are they very sensitive? Oh yes, Chinu. The tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and sharp. They can sense any movement with the help of their whiskers. It helps the tiger to move in the dark and look for prey. I have read that a tiger has very powerful eyes. It can see 6 times better at night than human beings.
It has a powerful roar also. Its roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away.
It also has different types of roars for different purposes, like when it's angry, or happy, or hungry. Do you know that a tiger is very particular about its area?
But how will it know which is its area?
It marks its area with its urine. A tiger will get to know if some other tiger has come to its area by smelling the urine.
Eek! What funny ways these big animals have.
Hey Buzz, even our Raja does that. You know what? A tiger has very powerful ears also. It can hear the softest of sounds. When a tiger hears the sound of dry leaves, it knows if an animal is there or if it was because of the wind. His ears are very, very sharp.
Totu, thank you very much. We got to know so much about animals from you today. Many of them can see, smell, or hear much better than us. Animals even warn us about dangers. So friends, always be kind to animals. They are very useful to us and help us in many ways. Please don't trouble animals and always take good care of them.
Shall we help Bird match the following? Mosquitoes, mosquitoes can find us by the smell of our body. Ant, ant leaves a smell on the ground. Eagles, eagles can see 4 times as far as humans can. Tiger's whiskers, tiger's whiskers. Help it move in the dark and find its prey. Will you tell Butterfly which of the following statements are true and which are false? People who kill animals are called hunters. True. The tiger is in danger of becoming extinct. True. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. True. Snakes have ears to hear when someone comes. False. Animals give a warning call to warn other animals of danger. True. All birds see everything in black and white. False. Some male insects can recognize their females by their smell. True. The smell of the sole of your feet attracts mosquitoes. True. Ants do not move in lines. False. Most birds can see two different things at the same time. True. Can you tell Buzz which of the following smell good and which smell bad? Rose flower, good smell, garbage. bad smell. Talcum powder. Good smell. Incense sticks. Good smell. An open drain. Bad smell. Spoiled food. Bad smell. Jasmine flower. Good smell. Friends, can you tell which of the following animals have ears that are bigger than yours and which have smaller ears? Elephant, bigger, bear, smaller, dog, bigger, cow, bigger, cat, smaller, rat, smaller, goat, bigger, camel, smaller, squirrel, smaller. Friends, shall we answer the following questions? Will you take out your notebook and write in that also? What special power do animals have? Animals have an amazing power of senses. Why does a dog sniff here and there? Dogs mark their own areas on the road. A dog can make out if another dog has come into its area by the smell of its urine or potty. That is why a dog keeps sniffing. How do ants move? Ants move in a line. How do they find their way? When ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ants follow the smell and find the way. What does a guard ant do outside the ant hill? The guard ant looks at every ant before it enters to check if it belongs to that anthill or not. It does not allow ants from other groups to enter the anthill. How do mosquitoes find us? Mosquitoes find us by the smell of our body. They also find us by the smell of the sole of our feet and the heat of our body. Where do most of the birds have their eyes? Most of the birds have their eyes on either side of their heads. How are the birds' eyes different? The two eyes of the birds can focus on two different things at a time. But when they look straight, both their eyes focus on the same object. Why do birds keep moving their necks often? The eyes of most of the birds are fixed and cannot move. So they have to turn their heads to see things around. How does a tiger mark its area? A tiger marks its area with its urine. What is special about a tiger's ears? The ears of a tiger can move in different directions. This helps the tiger to catch the sounds from all around. What is hibernation? Some animals go into long, deep sleep during some seasons. This is called hibernation. For example, we cannot see lizards during the winter season. They go into hibernation. Why do people hunt and kill animals? People kill animals for selfish reasons. Elephants are killed for their tusks. Rhinoceros for its horn. And tigers, snakes and crocodiles for their skin. What is the government doing to protect these animals? People who hunt animals are punished by law. Our government has made some areas as protected area where it is illegal to hunt and kill animals. For example, Jim Corbett Park in Uttarakhand and Ghana in Rajasthan. Can you look for the states of Uttarakhand and Rajasthan in the map of India? Do you think animals have special senses to sense danger? Do people have a sense of smell? Yes, people have a sense of smell. Friends, make 2 columns in your notebook like this. Write the names of 5 things whose smell you like and 5 things whose smell you don't like. After you write it, check if you and your friends have similar answers. Bye bye, friends.